Hello dear students. Today I am going to discuss about why 20 marks in JAM mathematics is useless and honestly emotionally damaging. Scored 20 marks in IIT JAM mathematics. Congratulations. You are now eligible for absolutely nothing. That's right. It's like baking a cake without sugar. Effort's there but no one's gonna eat it. Let me explain why 20 marks is not just enough. It's basically the academic equivalent of getting friend zoned by IIT. In JAM, the competition is not just tough, it's ruthlessly polite. No one tells you directly, bro, 20 is a garbage. And silently, the cutoffs move higher, the ranks drop lower, and your dream college waves goodbye like a villain in a slow motion. Now, some years the cutoff is 16, other years it's 23, and it's like JAM has mood swings, and you are stuck with 20, neither here nor there. What does 20 actually mean? Usually it means you did section A decently, scored 9 to 10, and you avoided the MSQ like it was a horror movie, and you touched NAT carefully like defusing a bomb. So you played safe, but here is the catch. Safe does not win JAM. You need to be strategic, bold and calculated because JAM rewards confident attempts, not the scared submissions. Section B and C have no negative marking and yet you left the questions. Why? Because you were not trained to recognize low risk, high reward patterns. You were not taught how to identify sure shot MSQs or how to approximate the NAT answer smartly. You didn't lack effort. You lacked the exam game awareness. That's the difference between someone scoring 20 and someone soaring to 55. That's exactly what we fix at our coaching center. We don't just jump you with the notes and say, Bhaiya, solve kar lo. We treat JAM like what it truly is, a competitive pattern based exam, not a syllabus vomit competition. Here is what we do. Teach you how to break down the JAM's favorite question formulas, show you which NATs are almost guaranteed every year, train you to handle the MSQs like a boss, mark what must be correct and eliminate what can't be correct, and most importantly help you to manage time like a speed chase match. So we build the strategies based on the question definitions. If a question says monotonic function, we already know what trap they are planning. If it's a limit or improper integral, we train you on how to recognize the shortcuts. Our batches are not about 10-hour study marathons. They are about smart preparation, focused execution, and JAM specific hacks that you won't find in books. Look, scoring 20 in JAM maths does not make you a dump. It makes you average. And that's the most dangerous place to be in the race like this. Toppers don't solve everything. They solve enough of the right things. With our system, 20 can turn into 45. That's not a dream. That's the data. Our students go from kya jam crack hoga to all India rank kitna aega. So if you are stuck at 20, don't settle. Come to a place where we don't just prepare you. We train you to dominate, because in IIT JAM Maths 20 marks is not a honor, it's a wake up call, and we are here to turn that call into a rank. Let's do it together. Join Dr. Sourav Sir's classes today.